Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with Melissa Cole.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. It's a pretty nice Friday across the area. It's getting warm out there this afternoon, but it's not too humid, so you'll definitely notice it feeling a little more comfortable outside if you're going to be out this afternoon or this evening. We're scanning clear on live early warning pinpoint Doppler. We did have some showers around southern Connecticut yesterday, but those are long gone. You can see them pressing way down to the south, and a few clouds are filtering the sunshine at this hour, but that's about it. We're looking good for the rest of this afternoon. We are watching an area of low pressure developing off the Carolina coastline, and the National Hurricane Center is actually monitoring this for possible tropical development. So we'll have to wait and see, but nonetheless, it will not be impacting our weather because it looks like it will stay far enough to the south of Connecticut and eventually just head out to sea. So we'll check out FUTURECAST and kind of show you what's going on for the upcoming weekend. As I mentioned, today looks great. If you have outdoor plans, maybe evening plans outside for dinner, things are looking just fine. Overnight tonight, we'll drop down into the 60s, so it should feel fairly comfortable during the overnight. You could probably leave your windows open and get some of that fresh air and maybe give the air conditioning a little bit of a break. And then as we head towards Saturday, we'll start out the day with some sunshine, but I do think some clouds are going to filter in, especially the eastern half of the state. And even if you're traveling to Rhode Island, Cape Cod, or the islands, you may even run into some scattered showers. It will definitely be cooler and cloudier there. And then as we head towards Sunday, we are talking about the chance for some showers. Now, some of our computer models are keeping us dry. This one that I'm going to show you right now does bring an area of low pressure south of Connecticut, but close enough to us to bring us a little bit of rain. So this is 5 a.m. Clouds, some showers, and notice the bulk of the heaviest rain stays to the south of us, but we're close enough to it that we have occasional showers or even a period of a light rain in southern Connecticut for the day on Sunday before things improve on Monday morning. So we'll have to wait and see how that pans out. But right now I would plan for the better of the two weekend days to be on Saturday. Right now in Hartford at the Connecticut Science Center, we have 81 degrees. 84 in New Haven, Waterbury 82, Litchfield at 81, and dew points are in the low to mid 60s, so that's fairly comfortable for this time of the year. You know, it's been feeling a whole lot muggier in recent days, so we'll take it. And here's some time-lapse video from our iCam in New London. You can see beachgoers enjoying a nice beach day, and we have partly sunny skies overhead at Ocean Beach. 84 in Hartford right now, Boston 77, Albany 78, 84 in Scranton, so everybody getting a little break from that high heat out there. No 90s on that map. 84 right now from our iCam in Hartford. You can see some fair weather clouds overhead, a little bit brighter. In our iCam in Windsor Locks, 84 degrees and calm winds. We're also monitoring Tropical Storm Josephine to the south and east of the Leeward Islands right now. And as I put in the motion of the track from the National Hurricane Center, you can see stays at tropical storm strength and then eventually weakens to a tropical depression. No threat to the eastern seaboard, but Bermuda might feel some impacts later Tuesday into Wednesday. All right, here's your Channel 3 early warning 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, start out with some sunshine, then increasing clouds, temps in the low 80s. Staying in the 70s on Sunday with the clouds and the showers. On Monday, we'll have 82 degrees with the chance of a late day shower or storm. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday looking bright and sunny with temperatures in the low to middle 80s. So no 90s in our 7-day forecast. Nice break from the high heat. Kara, send it back over to you.
Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with Melissa Cole.
Good morning, everybody. 6:14 is the time. It is a beautiful morning across there, but it is cold outside. We have temperatures that are in the 30s and 40s, and fall officially arrives on Tuesday, but it's already feeling like it's the season outside this weekend. However, if you still are hoping for a little bit of warm weather, temperatures will be moderating this week, and there's actually 2 days this week that we could approach the 80-degree mark. So don't give up on that summertime feel just yet. But a cool fall weekend is in store for us. Plenty of sunshine. It is breezy out there this morning. The winds will die down a little bit this afternoon, but they're also going to be with us for a few days as Hurricane Teddy actually passes to the east of the New England area. So it will be on the breezy side from time to time, but really mainly dry this week. Our next chance of showers may be later Friday into Saturday, but up until then, lots of sunshine. I mean, great weather, yes, to get outside and enjoy it, but we do have drought conditions across the entire state, especially eastern and northern Connecticut. So we could use some rain, just not going to get it this week. 37 currently in Litchfield, Lakeville, and Washington. It's a three-way tie. And in Willington, 35. So it is definitely chilly outside this morning with these 30-degree temperatures. It's feeling like the actual air temperature, though some spots feeling a little colder thanks to some gusty winds out there. Here's the iCam in stores. Just gorgeous out there. Look at that sunshine, not even a cloud in the sky this morning. And also a beautiful start from our iCam in New London, 46 degrees. And as I mentioned, the winds are up there. They're out of the north at 13 miles an hour with occasionally higher gusts. Now on FUTURECAST, there is just not much going on. We have an area of high pressure that's really going to be in control of our weather for the next several days. So as we go on through noontime today, mostly sunny, 6. Mostly sunny. Of course, the sun now sets before the 7 o'clock hour. So once the sun sets tonight and the winds are much less than what we saw last night, where we call that radiational cooling. So any of the daytime heating is just lost. And by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, I think we'll have many locations reporting 30-degree temperatures. So yeah, chilly start tomorrow and tomorrow afternoon also in the low 60s for daytime highs. All right, we completely finished the Atlantic Basin names A through W. We have now moved on to the Greek alphabet. The last time this happened was in 2005, and I believe we made it until Zeta. So if we go past Zeta, we'll be starting a new record of the most amount of tropical named storms in a season. So we've got Alpha and Beta already checked off the list. Beta right now plaguing parts of the Gulf of Mexico and will be impacting Texas. We have Hurricane Teddy, which will pass to the east of us, but we will feel some fringe effects in terms of wave height, rough seas, rip currents on our ocean-facing beaches of the New England area. And we have Tropical Storm Wilfred, which really poses no threat at this point. So Tropical Storm Beta, perhaps strengthening into a Category 1 hurricane and really just plaguing the Gulf Coast, especially Texas, with rough seas, with storm surge and flooding, so we'll keep a close eye on that. And of course, Hurricane Teddy is a Category 3 storm right now with winds of 125 miles an hour. Here's Bermuda, passing to the east of Bermuda and staying away from the eastern seaboard, but perhaps impacting parts of Nova Scotia, the Canadian Maritimes. So we'll have to wait and see. But again, the rough surf, high seas, rip currents for us in the New England area will start tomorrow and really linger until Tuesday, perhaps Wednesday. So keep that in mind if you are making any beach plans. I mean, the air temperature will be cool, but if you are, living in that area or traveling that way. So upper 50s to low to mid 60s for your daytime highs today. Tonight will drop down into the 30s for most of us. Few low 40s out there in southern Connecticut. And tomorrow will warm up into the low 60s again. Middle 60s on Monday. Tuesday, low 70s. Wednesday and Thursday near 80. And then our next chance of showers comes in on Friday with a high of 75.